In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly step by step how to make money with the Temu affiliate program and basically how you can do Temu affiliate marketing for beginners. The way that I'll show you in this video is completely free to get started with, and there's people making tens of thousands of euros or dollars per month doing the exact strategies that I will be showing you in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the end and implement every single strategy if you also want to make money on Temu and specifically with the Temu affiliate program. I'll go over everything you need to know from joining to how you can promote it, and it's not just by sending to your friends. I'll show you how you can actually do this without sending to anyone you know, and then also how they do payouts, how much you can earn and stuff like that. I will cover it all in this video. So the first step is to go and download the Temu app or to open up the Temu website. So right here I am in the Temu website, and from the website what you want to do is just scroll to the bottom of the page. Then here under company info you will see affiliate and influencer earn commission. If you're using the app you want to go and click on you in the bottom, and there you will see affiliate click for cash. But in this case I will click right here, and I do actually recommend following along on desktop since that's way easier. Now you can see they have made an update. Before you could invite people from 52 countries and now 68, so you can earn even more now. Now here you will basically see how this works. So you can earn from new app users, which means that they first download the app, and reinstalled users, and that means that they uninstalled over 14 days. So you can see right here you will earn 5 to 20% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, and this is really important. But what's actually most important is the €2 download reward when someone just downloads the app through your link for the first time. That's really good, and also if they reinstall after more than 14 days of not having the app, you will also get €2, which is absolutely amazing. Now you can see they are even doing stuff like this, so you can join the ranking race where you get €5,000 and the referral race where you get over €7,500. So for example, if I click get right here, you will basically see what this is. So you will see that the people that make the most money get huge bonuses. So this person right here, for example, has made €24,000 and they get a €1,000 bonus. Now I'll show you how you can make money similar to that, so actually tens of thousands of euros. So right here in this page you will see this. So referrals can get a €100 coupon bundle, free gifts, 30% off, exclusive deal, or save big. And now what we want to do is here click pick items. So now we will get into the actual strategy. So if you haven't done this yet, go and sign into your Temu account. Now from the pick items section right here you will see all of these items that you can get a specific referral link for. Most people only show you how you can actually share a general link, but that won't get you any conversions. This is much better. So one thing that I recommend is to have something with some kind of a wow factor or something that solves a problem, since that will have a higher buying intent and you can target specific people. For example, this thing right here, which is a wireless vacuum, this is pretty easy to sell, as well as this one, fix car dents instantly. Now we don't need to worry too much about this price right here, but you can see right here earn up to €2.09 if somebody buys this through your links. So for this example, I will take this product right here and show you how you can promote it completely for free. So let's click on earn up to €2.09 right there. And now here you get an item link. So I'm gonna take this item link right here. And now what we also want to go and do is, after copying this link, just open up the product and then take the best image. So in this case it would be this one, however this is a video. So let's just go and download this video. You can do that by right clicking on the video. If it's an image you can do that as well. But a video also works very well with the strategy that I'll cover later. So just right click on it and then click save video as, and just gonna click save. So now we will actually get into how you can make money by promoting this. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. You probably have heard of Pinterest. Go ahead and create an account. And this is super simple. Now what you do want to go ahead and do is in the top right here is click on accounts and more options and then click convert to business. This is super simple, completely free, and it will give you some more insights. But for now let's just get started. So the product that I am going to promote is this one right here. So it helps you fix car dents instantly. So let's go and search for fix and then car. So you can see scratches right here, but we want to do dents. So right here we see dent. So let's type in dent. So this is a keyword that people are searching for on Pinterest, how to fix a dent in your car. Now this is perfect since the product that we are going to show is solving that exactly. So let's remember this keyword, how to fix a dent in your car. And now what you want to go and do is click on create in the top left. Now here just go and upload the video or photo that we downloaded from Temu. Now what's really important, if it's a video, you can see this cover is not good, so go and click edit cover. Now here you can pick a cover, so this is about fixing a car dent. So in this case probably this one right here would work best, so let's click done. And now here for the title we want to add the exact keyword that we found earlier. So this was the keyword, how to fix dents in car. And now you want to enter something like easy solution, best way, something like that. Now for the description, this is really important. Just go to the Temu product and see if they have a good description. So for the product I have right here, it does not have a description. So then what we are going to do is just take the title right here. So fix car dents instantly, paintless body dent repair kit, etc. So let's just go and copy this, paste it in here. Now really important is that you type something like this, so you can get it on Temu through the link in this pin. So that link you want to enter right here. So go and paste the product link that we had earlier. Now, so just go back to Temu and just find the link right here. So click earn up to, and then again go and copy this link right here and then paste it in on Pinterest. Now you can add it to a board which will help you organize everything. So I'll just create a board. Now in terms of tagged topics, I'm going to do car gadgets, for example. Now I recommend adding 2 to 3 tags. And now in terms of more options, you can allow people to comment. Now I don't want to show similar products because of course I want them to buy the product through my link. So now when we click on publish right here and then just go to our profile, you can now see here the car pin. So this is the pin that we have now created, and when somebody opens this, they will see the video of how to fix a car dent right here, which is what they were searching for, as you can see how to fix dents in a car. Then right here they have the Temu link. Once they click on that link, it will take them to this product. If they then go and download the app, we will earn €2. If they then also buy the product, in this case, we would earn another €2.09. Now you can do this with as many products as you want. For example, if we take this one right here, this would also be a really good one. So this helps you remove scratches from a car. So I'm 100% sure that this is also something that people search for on Pinterest. So if we search for how to remove car scratches, you can see how to remove car scratches, and you will see that there are already a bunch of people that are actually doing this, and they also add their affiliate links to this to actually sell their products. But basically what will happen over time is that we are going to start ranking for these types of keywords. For example, how to remove car dents. If someone searches for this on Pinterest, we are not yet ranking for it, but we will be soon since we uploaded a good pin that shows them a solution, just like this one right here, or any of these other ones that is actually promoting a product, like this one for example. If you click on this pin, you will see that they are doing the exact same thing, and these people didn't even add a link, which is not that smart, because if people will buy this product through your link, you will make some money, of course. So by using this strategy, you can just go and publish hundreds or even thousands of pins, and that way you can make a lot of money, because every single time that somebody downloads the app through your link or actually buys a product, you will make some money. Now in terms of withdrawing money and stuff like that, just go to your affiliate dashboard right here, and then here you will see your available cash. Then just click on withdraw. Now you can withdraw to PayPal, but the minimum is €20. So make sure you have at least €20, which is not that hard to get, since you get some pretty insane rewards. So just follow the strategies that I showed you in this video, do it for maybe a month, and after that month your pins will exist forever and you will forever be making money from this, so you can really build up a passive income stream by doing this. Now of course you do need to build this up. At the beginning you won't instantly see results, but by doing this over time you can make hundreds of euros per day. And there is a bunch of people that are actually doing this on Pinterest, and this is definitely a strategy that works. For example, this is something that I found earlier, Fruit Rack Kitchen. If we look at the pins right here, this right here is an Amazon affiliate link from someone that is doing the exact same thing. They just take the product image, then upload it onto Pinterest under the name that people search for. So in this case, that would be Fruit Rack Kitchen, and then you can go and buy it through the link. Same here, this is from Walmart, IKEA, Wayfair, eBay, and there are so many more. So this definitely works, and I recommend you to try this out. So now you know how to do Temu affiliate marketing for beginners completely for free without inviting your friends. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.